So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can sell more Redbubble products to allow you to make more profits, more money, and to overall improve your shops. If you're ready for this one, please do drop a like, as that would be very much appreciated. And with that said, let's jump straight into the video. Hi guys, my name is Phil and welcome to the Money Game YouTube channel. For anyone that's new around here, I make print-on-demand content to both motivate and to give you guys tips and tricks on how you can improve your print-on-demand stores. If you are new around here and you haven't already, please do click on that subscribe button with the notification bell switched on. That way you won't miss out on any future videos. We've helped a lot of people to make the first online sales through sites like Redbubble. And if you are looking for any extra information, I do happen to have a free print-on-demand starter guide that's linked down in the description, and alongside that I also do have a paid step-by-step guide for anyone that's looking to turn this into more of a full-time thing. As for today, like I said, I'm going to be showing you how to sell more Redbubble products faster and easier than you would be able to do without this information. So I hope you guys are ready to take down some notes and actually try out this information. I've jumped onto Redbubble and I've just gone on one of the example designs I made for you guys, and the main reason I'm on here is because we're going to be talking about templates. Templates can largely increase the chances of you guys actually getting sales. Now, to start off, I'm going to start off by talking about clocks, for example. Starting with clocks, you can see when you upload your image, it will literally just be placed in the center of a clock. There's a few things you can do with this. I mean, you can repeat the image into a couple of patterns. There's this one, and then there's this one right here. I mean, that's something you could do, but if you really want to optimize your design to maximize sales, you want to be making a clock as it should usually look, obviously with the clock face with the numbers. And the great thing about Redbubble with this specific type of product is that they allow you to download a PSD template, which you can open on Photoshop or Photopea if you don't have Photoshop, which is a free online alternative you guys can use. And once you use this, it will pretty much allow you to download that template and you can make something that looks more like these clock designs. You can see, as you can see, there's the numbers there. Some people are creative and they put foods, and I feel making a clock based design with this kind of style to it will allow you to increase your sales. A lot of people have done a different versions or many different versions of this, as you can see, and it's up to you to be creative in what you do in terms of your clock face. But if you're in a niche that's small enough, you could potentially allow yourself to get more sales than you would do otherwise, just by adding numbers on your clock face. The next product I want to talk about is mugs. Now, mugs come with something quite similar. There's actually a download artwork template link that's just here. It's kind of covered by the apply changes button for whatever reason, but when you download that, it allows you to get a template that you can put multiple images on. So instead of just having this image there, you can have it on both sides. Once you do this, it will allow you to have a mug that looks kind of similar to this one here. And bear in mind, this is the first page of all mugs on Redbubble, and this is there. And this is where someone has taken one image, they've put it on both sides, and when someone does buy the mug, it looks like this. It's very effective because, like I've said before, with the clock, it will make you more competitive, allowing more people to click on that design because it looks different from everything else that's there. In this instance, I've just searched mugs and I've gone on the first page. But if you was to look into certain niches that may be smaller, there may not be people doing this at all. So that largely increases your chances of potentially getting sales through mugs, and it's something that's just very effective to do. Back to the templates on this page here. The next one that I'll talk about is duffel bags. Now with duffel bags, usually it's blank, or usually your image will be just put where it's in the center, and you can choose a pattern, this is one that I created myself from scratch to have a more custom styled duffel bag. I've actually made a video about this, but I'll talk more about that towards the end of the video. What this does is it allows your design to stand out a lot more. If we go on duffel bags and we search by best selling, you can see the best selling duffel bag is that of a pencil. Usually when you upload your designs, they will never look like this. This is literally someone who's gone to the effort to make a duffel bag that looks unique and different to everything else. We've got a few other people who've thought of a similar idea. We've got this guy here, we've got this guy here, and we've got this guy here. And as you can see, their designs are within the top 10. Why? Because they're different, they stand out, and they don't just have the pattern style that most people usually go for. There's nothing wrong with the pattern style, it's just this style of design is actually more unique. If I click on it, you can see they had to actually upload this by itself so it looks more unique in a sense. And I'm not too sure if this person then went on to activate it on more products. I think they potentially just activated it on the duffel bag. Personally, I would put this design on my duffel bag, and then I would just put a pencil style design on all my other products, just to make sure that I am maximizing on this specific design style. Nevertheless, this is the power of using templates. I mean, in terms of the duffel bag, there's no specific template you can use because there's nothing you can download. But like I said, there'll be more on this towards the end of the video. And the final product I want to talk about today is leggings. Now with the leggings, what I usually do, or what I used to do most of, was to just select the pattern effect like this, mainly because it allows you to cover the majority of the canvas of leggings. I don't know if you can see, but there's a slightly grayed out square there, and that grayed out square pretty much covers the dimensions of the leggings. Anyways, what you want to be doing with the leggings is to make sure that obviously you're making something that's a little bit unique. Great examples of that would be this design here. As you can see, they've probably made a template to allow them to make it a little bit different and make it stand out a little bit more compared to people that are just using the pattern effect. We have this person here who's made something that could probably be worn on a costume, and with at the time of making this video, it being close to Halloween, things like this could potentially sell quite a lot. And I mean, you get the gist. People that are unique tend to stand out a little bit more when it comes to the different types of products that not too many people speak about. Now, for those that don't know what the dimensions are for certain things, there's a dimensions and format section that is on Redbubble. What I'll do, I'll link this section in the description so you can just quickly go through it, and this will tell you the dimensions of different things. And what you want to be doing is, if you want to make a specific design for a singular product, you want to type these dimensions either into Photoshop or Photopea or whatever editing software you use, and then you want to start designing accordingly. When you then upload to Redbubble, it'll be a lot easier to make your design a lot more unique, and it'll be a lot easier to allow your design to stand out as much as it actually should do. If you want to see me making my own custom duffel bag and backpack with certain dimensions, check out this video there as I talk you through exactly how you can do that. If you've made it this far into this video, comment down, be unique, and always remember that everything is rigged in your favor, and manifest success.